Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is Polymorphic Query. In Salesforce, both task and event objects considered activities are stored in the same underlying table. The who ID and what ID fields on these objects are polymorphic, meaning they can relate to multiple objects including account, contact and opportunity. To query task and event records related to account, contact and opportunity, we can use a SQL query with polymorphic fields. Here's how we could write such query. Polymorphic query for task and event records. Write a SQL query to pull all the task and event records that are all related to account, contact and opportunity. Hint: use polymorphic query. So the query we are going to write like select ID subject, who ID is the person, what ID is the object, activity date, status, type, from, task, this is the task object, where, what ID in. What ID means object ID, in select ID from account. Here is a account object, or what ID in select ID from opportunity. What ID means object, or who ID means person in select ID from contact. Contact is a person object who holds the data of person. Union all select ID subject, who ID, what ID, activity date, status, type, from, here event object, where, what ID in select ID from account, what means account object, or what ID in select ID from opportunity, or who means holding the information of a person in select ID from contact object. So polymorphic query is holding select fields. Fields means ID, subject, who ID, what ID, activity date, status, type. These are common fields in both task and event objects that provide useful information about the activity. From task, the first part of the query pulls task records where what ID is related to account or opportunity, or who ID is related to contact. It is going to hold the information of a person. From event, the second part of the query pulls event records using the same criteria as for task. Union all, the union all operator combines the results from both the task and event queries. Thank you.